we will find the average of 6 numbers using casting and input function. So, here is the example. So, A is equals to float, open parenthesis, input, open parenthesis again, to write the output. So, write the first number, space, double quote, and close parenthesis to lock the output, and close parenthesis again to lock the input. So, B, float input, write the second number, space, double quote, close parenthesis to lock the output, and close parenthesis again to lock the input, So, and so on. So on na siya, guys. So, hanggang sa 6 numbers. So, the next step is we will add those number that you input. So, sum equals A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. So, 6 siya. So, average equals to sum, which is the equals of the number o yung total ng mga numbers na in-input nyo. So, sum divide 6. So, i-divide nyo yan. So, print, open parenthesis, double quote, the average is, double quote, then comma, and average. So, let's try if this works. Okay, so, first, we will put the first number, 90. Example lang to, guys. So, 98, 97, 95, 98. Ano tayo? Last number is 94. So, the average is 95.3333. So, with honors na kayo nyan. With high honor.